Hi there, let's set up the TP-Link Deco BE65. Well, I've got two guys here, they are absolutely identical, so I'll use one of them, let it be this one as the main rotor, and one of them, let it be this one as the range extender. So let's put this one aside for now. What we need next, we need the Ethernet cable. This one was in the box, but feel free to use third-party cables. And of course, we need to plug in our main Deco into the power outlet. Now, what we see here, we see the yellow LED indicator, and we need to wait for it to start blinking blue. And of course, we need the smartphone because unlike the classic rotor, you can't set up this mesh system using the web interface. Later, of course, you can access the web interface, but in this case, it's pretty useless. The best way to manage the Deco mesh system is the Deco application. So let's go to this application. Well, by the way, if you don't have Deco application, go to Play Store or App Store and just type in Deco. Sorry, Deco C. Install this application and open it. When you launch this application for the first time, you will be asked to log in or create the TP-Link ID. It's super easy, so let me just skip this step and show you how everything works. I already have an account and I'm logged in, so we were just waiting for this LED to start blinking blue light. Now it's happened, the LED is pulsing blue and you see this prompt, let's begin. So tap on this button. You prompted to enter your wireless settings and connect to the Deco's network. If you see this prompt, tap on wireless settings. If you don't see this prompt, you need to go to your wireless settings manually and connect to the Deco network. I don't see it so far. Oh, here it is, Deco C810. You will have the different abbreviation here. Each Deco has its unique abbreviation. It's connected. Now let's go back to the app. It's looking for Deco. Connecting to Deco, found it, connected. That's it. Once your Deco is found, you will see the solid blue light on the indicator, and then you can go ahead and hit set up the Deco. Now you need to connect the Deco to your internet source, whatever you use, DSL, cable modem or ONT. You need to take the Ethernet cable, face the back panel of your Deco, plug the Ethernet cable in, and the other end plug into your internet source. So if you use the Wi-Fi router, I recommend you to replace your router with this Deco. Also keep in mind that the Deco has 2.5 gigabit per second internet port, so maybe it's even faster than your cable modem, so you can even replace the modem with this baby. But to replace your modem, you may need to contact your ICP provider, but for the good internet speed, I think it's worth. Of course, you can connect the Deco directly to your LAN socket, so to do this, you need to tap on I don't have a modem and connect Deco to a LAN port directly. But we are connecting to a modem, so let's go ahead, let's tap on the arrow. Now you're asked to restart your modem, so do it using the physical button, or just unplug and plug in back, or using the virtual button in your modem settings. Anyways, somehow you need to restart your modem and wait for the internet indicator on your modem to start glowing solid. So once your modem is restarted, confirm this by tapping on this button and select the location of your main Deco. Let it be bedroom. Of course, you can customize the room name, but let it be bedroom so far. tap on next arrow. Connect your Deco to the internet. Now, if you don't know your internet connection type, just do nothing here, just leave it dynamic IP. Don't go to advanced settings, you don't need it. Just tap on next and create your Wi-Fi network name. And create your password as well. Of course, you can create more difficult password. Tap on next. Now create a 6 GHz network, because this is a brand new 6 GHz device, and keep your Deco up to date. Let's schedule the update time, 3 AM to 5 AM. I'm okay with this. I'm usually sleep this time. Now it's creating Wi-Fi network. Okay, once the network created, you can save the Wi-Fi network to your phone. Let's tap on this arrow, tap on save. It's saved, now it's connecting. Found it. Deco is now online, so now it's up and working well. Let's check it in the Wi-Fi settings. Let's go. What do we have here? Wi-Fi home connected. So you have 2.4 and 5 GHz band in one Wi-Fi network. It means your devices will connect to the best corresponding network at the highest possible speed. So you have seamless Wi-Fi mesh network. So let's place the secondary node. Of course, first of all, we need to power it on. And as in the case with the main router, you need to wait for the LED signal to start pulsing. That's it. Now it's pulsing and ready to be detected by the system. And a small advice about how to place your Decos. You pretty much want... Oh, it's already detected. So let's tap on next. Plug in all Deco units. We've already done it. And the system is working well. This is our main Deco. Deco BE65 has joined new network. This is about this one. So got it. And so bedroom is our main Deco, and this is our secondary, this range extender. So advice about how to place them. You pretty much want the main router to be placed centrally, because all the wireless extenders will try to find the best signal. So first of all, they will try to connect to your main router and then to another wireless units. For example, if you have 3 Decos, by the way, you can use even different models in the same mesh. So your extender will try to connect to your router first, and if the signal from the router is weak, it will try to find the stronger signal, and probably it will be the signal from another wireless unit. You can achieve the higher speed if you use the backhaul connection, because each of your Decos has more than one Ethernet port, so you can connect them directly to each other. And moreover, you can connect even secondary Deco with another secondary Deco, and it is fine as well. But for now, let's see what can we do from the application. First of all, you can manage your Wi-Fi settings. The basic Wi-Fi settings is Wi-Fi name and password. So here you can change name and password, and for 6 GHz as well. Also, keep in mind that from here you have quick access to your security settings and parental controls. And also you can go to more tab and have a lot of different settings and tweaks. For example, you can set up a guest network. From here you can set up VPN connection. You can even control the LEDs. If they're frustrating at night, you can just turn them off or schedule. Of course, I recommend you first of all go to system and check for updates. Tap on update Deco, and if you have firmware update available, just do this update. From the network page, you can access your devices separately. You can rename the device tapping on this notepad icon here. You can reboot your device, which can be helpful if you have some connection issues and so on. Guys, this application is very big and this is the topic for another video. For now, you're all set. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and be awesome. Bye guys.